I'm Laurnetta Sanks. I worked as a software engineer at Lockheed Martin, and today I'm an Azure Cloud Python developer and data engineer. But I didn't learn robotics in college. I taught myself from YouTube. I even learned to program Otto, the biped robot, using inverse kinematics, while people with engineering degrees were still stuck. You don't need a degree. Elon Musk himself says you can learn any skill for free online.
There's no need even to have a college degree at all, or even high school. You don't need college to learn stuff, okay? Everything is available basically for free. You can learn anything you want for free.
But trust me, the self-taught path was messy. No structure, no roadmap, until I finally figured out the exact order of skills you need to go from zero to programming real hardware. And that's why I wrote this book. This is the guide I wish I had. A clear, step-by-step path to learning robotics without wasting time, money, or taking on student debt. You'll learn the robotics skills colleges teach, minus the tuition, using Otto, the biped robot, as your real-world practice project. A structured learning path so you stop guessing and start building. If you're serious about breaking into robotics, no degree required, this book is your shortcut. Click the link, grab your copy, and start learning robotics the way the pros do. Stop waiting for someone to send you their source code. Build your own.